And ukulele?
And
Yeah. Ooh.
I said our ukulele. You lot just a...
I think you said a ukulele.
Okay, should we start again?
An ukulele.
Start again.
I don't think we needed to start again until you said, should we start
we
again?
didn't stop saying, shall we start again?
Hello, welcome to Anarchy in the Ukulele. I am here with Paul.
Hello.
The big P, P.Man.
The big P? The big P? That's terrible.
What's a compliment?
The big P.
And today,
Oh, my word.
we're going to be doing some ukulele basics, I believe, aren't we, P?
We are, eh? The most basic of all. We're going to learn how to tune our ukulele.
I thought holding it was the most basic.
Yeah, but you know that. You're intermediate level now, so you need to know how
Okay.
to tune it, okay? It is quite tricky. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how to do it, and then we're going to get you to do it. So just like a real beginner, which you are.
I mean, you made it sound like I'm not. I genuinely am.
You genuinely are. So the best way to tune your ukulele is with one of these electric tuners. Doesn't matter what make you get. You don't need an expensive one. This one was cheap. It was about £5. It's just like a peg, and it clips on the end of your ukulele. When tuned, your ukulele should sound 4 strings, G, C, E, A. Should sound like
And
that.
I'm noticing that you're getting a little green light.
Yes, correct. Okay, so I'm just going to lower this string. I'm going to make it a little bit flatter. And just like a flat tyre, a flat note needs to go up. So a flat tyre needs pumping up, and a flat note needs twisting up in this case. So all of these 4 strings are connected to these tuning pegs here. And to alter the pitch, how high or low it is, we twist these here. And it is a little bit complicated what way you twist them. Effectively, as I play a note, if it's blue, you can see the screen here is blue, it's not in tune.
Assuming different tuners, potentially, you might go red or...
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
Most of them tend to go green when they're in tune, but yeah, some of them go red. So we're aiming to get the right letter on the screen, the correct letter, and it for to be green. So mine's currently saying the wrong letter, it's saying F. F is before G in the alphabet, so that means it's too low. Okay, so if it said a D, it would be too low as well, for example. So to make this note go higher, I'm going to twist to the left. So these 2 here, I'm going to twist to the left.
Okay, so top one's left.
Yeah, and the bottom 2, the opposite. I'm going to twist them to the right. So I'm twisting to the left, and I keep going until it goes green. It is then in tune. So it's saying the correct letter, G, and it's green. To remember your strings, G, C, E, A, good children eat apples. Good children eat apples. Your ukulele is out of tune, a little bit. It's not massively out of tune, but it is out of tune. Okay, so I'm going to pass this over. You just clip it on. I'll turn it off so you can even turn it on.
Oh,
there you go.
you.
You're most welcome. And then nearly all of them just have the one button, and they're really simple. I mean, the more...
So simple I couldn't turn it on.
yeah, it foxed you straight away. So
Right, so this one corresponds to this one?
Yeah,
correct?
so play it first. And what's it say?
It's saying G, but it's not. It's to the left of the...
Okay, so it's not in the middle and it's not the right colour. So you've got to go up.
So I'm going left. Oh, I'm green.
Then that should be the same as mine.
Yeah.
And you are in tune. It's generally, Abbie, good practice to tune up. You always hear the phrase, oh, the band's going to tune up. And it's good practice. I won't go into why now, but it's just generally good practice to tune up rather than down. Okay, so that's why I've put all of yours a bit low. So what's that one saying?
So low C again.
Okay.
Oh, I moved the tuner then. Yes, I'm green.
Perfect. So now the other 2, you've got to twist the other way, and that's the complication.
So this one is...
Yeah, that's correct. If you run your finger along, you'll see what one it's connected to.
So I'm going right. Oh, I'm on an E now. That's good.
That's good. Yeah, is it green?
Not yet.
You've just reaffirmed that you're a beginner. Well done.
Yeah.
So just out of interest, keep twisting and see what happens. Don't go crazy.
Oh.
What's it saying?
I've gone past the middle now.
All right, keep going. Keep going until you get an F.
I've got an F. Well,
So-
an E, F. Yep.
Okay. An F is higher in the alphabet than an E, so you need to go down. So
Oh,
now twist it back
controversial.
down until you get an E.
It's actually quite, you have to do quite, oh! I'm getting very good at this.
You are, you're like an expert.
It and tune up.
Pardon?
Go past it and tune up.
So go down a little bit, just so you're a little bit flat, just like a flat tire, you're going to have to go up, just because it's always good practice.
So
to
down's
tune
left
up.
on the bottom, isn't it?
Yes.
Right, and now I'm going to
Now
tune
go
back
back up. That's it.
There, I'm there.
Perfect.
Ooh,
That one's a bit out, isn't it?
good children eat.
Apples.
Oh, I was on it. I'm on an A now.
Lovely. And is it green?
Not yet. Bingo.
Okay. Oh, beautiful. Always twist in little increments. You don't want to go too far.
Yeah, it's quite easy to go. Like, it's really little.
Yeah. As a general rule, when you get a ukulele, it won't be in tune, and they do go out of tune, so always just check them before you start playing. Did that make sense? Because I know it is quite tricky.
I think so, yep. So left on the top, right on the bottom, always tune up. And if you have to tune down, go too far so that you can then tune up again.
Perfect. And once it's green, you're in tune.
Brilliant.
Brilliant. You did really well there.
Would you like a C?
I'd love to see.
It's the only chord I can play.
Actually, you can play two. You can play an A-7. Take your finger off. Strum it. You know 2 chords.
I'm very
done.
proficient. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ding the bell.